This is the EONLION brand self-adjusting wire stripper crimper. Strips 10 to 24 AWG. Self-adjusting jaws that firmly grab wire and cable from 10 to 24. Crimps 10 to 22 AWG insulated and 10 to 22 AWG non-insulated and 7 to 9 millimeter ignition terminals. Insulated handle. Directions. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, got some wire here. This is 14 AWG gauge. Do is simply take the wire, put it in lengthwise like that, but the length you want, and simply squeeze. Takes a couple tries because these wires got some kind of plastic film on them. But just like that, any size. Then the cut, put it right there, squeeze, and off it comes. Simple as that. Automatically adjust to any gauge wire, up to 10. So, I don't have anything to crimp, so I can't check that out, but this is where you'd crimp here for your different size terminals. It ties on here. I know it's sideways. Like which terminals for what. No, those are for the non-insulated, and that's for insulated. So there you go. The EONLION brand automatic wire stripper, self-adjusting, cutter, strip, crimper. Very well constructed, heavy duty, has some weight to it, so it's not going to fail out in the field. Very good construction. Highly recommend. If you would like to purchase this item, I will include a link in the description to where you can find it on Amazon. Thank you for watching.